Okay, more definitions. So ADC converts analog signals to digital. B, an anti-aliasing filter. This removes noise and high frequency that cannot be reconstructed after sampling. A continuous signal is a measurement whose values change as a function of time continuously. A DAC converts digital signals to analog. Digital data is going to be information that can be transmitted, manipulated, and stored without degradation. A discrete signal measurements has been sampled and its value is only known at times that are multiples of a sample period. The Nyquist frequency is the upper bound on the frequency content, the signal that's being sampled, equal to 1/2 the sampling frequency. Quantization refers to rounding of a measurement to a multiple of a basic unit of precision. A reconstruction filter interpolates continuous values between consecutive discrete values. The resolution determines the number of levels to which a signal can be quantized given a number of bits. A sample and hold is an analog circuit that traps and holds a voltage. The sampling rate is the frequency at which the signal can be sampled. The Shannon-Nyquist theorem is that frequencies above half the sampling rate can't be reconstructed or lost. A signal is a time-varying quantity that conveys information. Successive approximation register. This is a type of analog to digital converter that iteratively quantizes an analog value into a digital one. And a voltage reference is a high precision constant voltage that's used both for digital analog converters and analog to digital converters.